Hey, I'm David. Last summer I audited a data team with 14 people who shipped exactly 2 products in 18 months. They had engineers, analysts, ML experts, all the talent you'd want. But here's what I found. Nobody could tell me who owned data quality for their churn model. The problem wasn't headcount, it was how they were organized. And this is breaking most data teams before they even start. They had 3 data engineers, 4 analysts, 2 mega leaders engineers spread across product squads. On paper, the headcount looked fine, but when I asked who owns data quality for the churn model, I got silence. The issue wasn't talent, it was topology. Data products aren't like feature teams, they cross boundaries. They need different governance. And when that's wrong, nothing ships. This isn't rare. Gartner looked at enterprises doing this at scale. 72% restructure their data teams within 2 years. And it's not because they hired wrong. It's because they didn't clarify who owns what. Unclear accountability for data outputs. That's the pattern. A payments team owns the checkout flow. Clear. A notifications team owns email. Clean boundaries. But data products? They feed multiple teams, they require governance models software teams don't need. When you structure data like software, you get slow, untrusted work that nobody maintains and nobody can explain. The fix is straightforward. Before you assemble your team, clarify ownership, not just people, decision rights. Who owns data quality? Who owns governance? Who decides what ships? Get these boundaries right, and suddenly everything changes. You move faster. You ship work people trust. If your data team is struggling, the issue might not be talent. It's topology. Read the full breakdown at the link below. Let's fix this together.